So I'm going to take this brow look to the next level by using the Horus Brow Fibre Extend. Now you can use this on its own, but I like to go in over the top of my filled in brows to create a fuller, fluffier look. And the way that it does this is because of the little fibres that are in the formula that attach to your natural brow hairs. So again, you only need a really light hand and you're going to lightly feather it through your brows. I like to brush them up and allow them to dry in place before then combing them down and defining. So as you can see, that's really helped to add a little bit more volume, and it's also helped to hold the brows in place. So you can either leave it like this if you prefer a fluffier, fuller look, or I just like to take the top of the wand and lightly comb down over the top to style them in place.